Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So Miss Lynn sent me this hair to try. This is my first time working with this company, so I was definitely interested to see how their hair was and how their wigs are, right? So this is their pamphlet that they send you with your wig. I've never seen a human hair wig come in that package that this wig came in, but they sent me a wig cap and an elastic band to go on this wig just in case. So this wig is 24 inches. This is a 2x5 Pew wig, another one of those you know, fake scalp wigs, but it's only 2 inches wide and 5 inches deep, so you do not get a lot of parting space with this wig. This is what the inside of the construction of the cap looks like. You get 4 combs, adjustable straps. You get at least 1 inch of hairline space in the front of the hairline to make it look kind of natural. But I'm gonna tell you now that it is definitely hard to do baby hairs on this kind of wig, so you would definitely want to leave it as is. You could obviously see the material underneath versus it being full lace. The knots on here was super little, but you could see them on this light lace, so I did go ahead and go in and bleach the knots. So I'm just giving you another recap of what the construction of the cap looks like. This is a 2x5. This is my first time using a wig like this. So I am using my Quick Blue with 30 volume developer, and I'm only putting it on the little area, the 1 inch area of lace that was exposed, that I could see the knots. You absolutely cannot bleach the knots or the material, the fabric material. It's not gonna work. You could tint it, but you know, that's just extra. You could just go ahead and use makeup. So this is it. I did leave it on for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then I went in and let it air dry. After washing it, I did go in and let it air dry. I did some baby, I attempted to do baby hairs. I didn't even show that because I think that was a complete fail, trying to do baby hairs on this wig. So I did style the hairline, and this is my best friend Sade. Y'all seen her numerous of times on this channel, and you're gonna continue seeing her. And she likes me to use a bold hold on her, so I am using bold hold active. I'm only doing 2 layers because this was our first time trying a wig like this, so we didn't know how it was going to react. So I only did 2 layers of bold hold. I waited for it to get almost clear and before I adhered the wig onto her head. So when you're putting a wig on, you want to make sure that the lace is in front of the glue, because if it's behind the glue, you're going to get a messy, sticky mess trying to clean it and trying to like disguise it. So make sure you put pull the lace in front of the glue, and then you can sit the lace into the glue so it can melt. You want to do that because it's just going to make your cleanup process easier, and then you kind of be able to customize the hairline a little better. But again, this is only an inch of parting space in the front, so you don't really get a lot of hairline to customize. As you see, I tried to do baby hairs. They came out okay. This is not my best baby hair work, but they were cool. So I am going to go in with an elastic band, and I'm going to tie it around her hairline just so it can help push into the glue while I'll go in and straighten her hair. So for my straightener, you guys always know I like to use my nano titanium straightener. This is loose wave hair, so it is naturally wavy. It did have a hard time staying straight. I did notice that, but I think we're gonna try curls next time when she install this back into her hair. So we're gonna try curls, and I think curls will stay in this hair a lot better than it staying straight. And you know, I flat iron hard, so for this to revert back to its curly or wavy state, it's kind of like, you know, it's like, okay, well, you don't want to stay straight, you want to be curly. So we're gonna attempt to do some curls on this in the next install with this hair. But I am going to go in with my nano titanium and just straighten out this hair. It does look pretty good, like, you know, me doing it right now in the video and at the end of it. But like by the end of the night, her hair was a little bit puffy. So I do want to let you guys know that as well. So if you guys didn't know, there is a hair shortage going on when it comes to lace products. So that's the reason why you probably see a lot of YouTubers doing these peel wigs. These aren't my favorite types of wigs. I would just prefer regular closures or frontals. You know, that's just my preference. A lot of people do like the peel wigs because it does give you like the scalp effect. So, you know, it's just everybody's preference is just different. I am going to go in with my eyebrow razor, and I am going to cut off the excessive lace, so we can just, you know, melt it on down. But yeah, like, you've seen me do a couple of peel wigs on this channel, probably like maybe 4 or 5. And at this point, I think I'm done with that type of wig. It's just because you don't get too much parting space, and like customization on it is kind of like, you don't get a lot of room to customize your wig how you would want to customize your wig. You basically kind of have to leave the wig how it comes. So, and that's the only thing that, you know, that gives me a big gripe about the whole situation. But other than that, if you are a person that don't like to customize, like I said before, this is the perfect wig for you. But other than that, this hair looks super dark, and I didn't even color it black, and this is the color that it came in. I did notice that this hair did not have a lot of filler hairs, which means it didn't have like those colorful hair piece strands in there to make the hair look full. It didn't have that, so that's something that I truly appreciated. And the hair was super soft. Okay, I would definitely prefer this wig without the the fake scalp on it. but you know, we was just trying something different. And, you know, it's always good to try something out of your comfort zone to see if you like it. But this is definitely one of those throw on and go wigs, you know. And so like I like that. So I am gonna go in and just like, you know, mold her baby hairs with some spritz holding spray, and then I am gonna go in and just finalize her hair by putting some like oils, not oils, but like some hair serums in there to give it a little bit more luster. She's complaining because she said my baby hair brush is too hard. But other than that, yeah, I actually like this hair texture. Me myself, I told her that I would want to take the wig apart and then remake it so we could put a regular frontal or closure on there. She likes closure. She likes big cold closure. So, and I did go in with her makeup color, and then I did tint her lace after that, because you could definitely see her lace right here. But after I did go in and tint it so you could not see it. And so this is the hair serum and some spritz, and I'm just laying down all the flyaways, and she is ready to go. I will leave everything that I'll use down below in the description box for you guys. Everything, alright? So just check that before. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them down in the comment section, and I will be back with another video, best friends.